Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic moonroof, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.